Hello and welcome, mathematicians, to our online workshop. Today you're going to learn a really cool memorization trick on how to memorize 7 times 4 and 9 times 9 using a technique called the TimesTales method. At the end of this video, I can pretty much guarantee that you'll know the answers to these times tables in a snap. Once you've completed the video, you can download the free printables on this page for more practice. So are you ready to begin? Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Hannah, your host. You are about to go on a learning adventure into the TimesTales, and by the end of this video, you will know your upper times tables in a snap. This may not be the traditional way to learning your times tables, but I can assure you it's the fastest and definitely the most fun. For the next 30 minutes, I will guide you through the 6 easy steps of Part 1. As you begin to go through the first steps of the program, don't try to figure out how TimesTales works, just learn the stories. By step 4, everything will start to make sense, and you will realize those stories you just learned are really hidden multiplication problems. TimesTales video is divided into 2 parts, which takes about 30 minutes each to complete. Begin with Part 1 and work through all 6 steps of the program. I recommend allowing at least 1 week after completing Part 1 before beginning Part 2. During this time, the multiplication facts can be reviewed and practiced by utilizing the flashcards, test, and other reinforcements that comes with your TimesTales printables. The first step to learning the TimesTales is to get to know each character and the number they represent. Here's our butterfly. Can you see the number 3? This chair will show up in several of the tales. As you can see, it also looks like the number 4. This boy represents the 6th grade class. Do you notice their heads are shaped like the number 6? I want to introduce you to Mrs. Week. We call her that because she looks like a 7, and we all know there are 7 days in a week. There is also a Mr. Week, but you won't see him unless he is with his wife, Mrs. Week.
Hello, pleased to meet you.
This is Mrs. Snowman. Don't you think she looks a lot like the number 8? She also has a husband, Mr. Snowman, but you will only see him when he's with his sweetheart, Mrs. Snowman. This treehouse is our final character in the tales you are about to learn. If you look closely, you can see the number 9 within the tree.
Do you remember the names you just learned? Let's try a quiz!
Now it's time to see if you can remember the characters. When the questions come up, see if you can answer before the time runs out. What is the name of this? Name this character. What is this called? Now that you know the characters, you are ready to move on to the next step. Mrs. Week sat on a chair and fished. She caught 2 boots and 8 trout. How did those 2 boots get down there? Do you think she'll snag them?
Boots? Ew.
Looks like Mrs. Week is going to have a good dinner tonight.
8 tasty fish for dinner.
Oh, she snagged 8 trout all at once. What do you suppose she's going to do with her 2 boots and 8 trout? Remember, Mrs. Weeks sat on a chair and fished. She caught 2 boots and 8 trout. There were 2 tree houses. The first tree house grew 8 apples, and the second grew only 1 apple. Have you ever seen a tree house in an apple tree before? I wonder what caused one tree to grow 8 apples while the other tree only grew 1. Don't forget, there were 2 tree houses. The first tree house grew 8 apples, and the second grew only 1 apple.
Are you ready to test your memory? Let's try a quiz!
Now it's time to see if you can remember the times tales. When the questions come up, see if you can answer before the time runs out. You will have approximately 3 to 5 seconds to answer each question. Good luck! What did Mrs. Weeks sit on when she fished? A chair. How many boots did Mrs. Week catch? She got 2 boots. How many fish did she catch? She got 8 fish. There were 2 tree houses. What did they grow? They grew apples. How many apples did the first tree house grow? 8 apples. How many apples did the second tree house grow? It grew only 1 apple. Now it's your turn to tell the story. When you hear this sound, pause the video and say the story out loud. Then hit play and see if you got it right. It's very important that you say the story in the proper order. Here's an example of the wrong way to say the story. Mrs. Weeks sat on a chair and fished. She got 8 trout and 2 boots. And here's how you say the story the correct way. Mrs. Weeks sat on a chair and fished. She got 2 boots and 8 trout. Now it's your turn to say the stories. Let's begin. There were 2 tree houses. The first tree house grew 8 apples, and the second grew only 1 apple. Mrs. Weeks sat on a chair and fished. She got 2 boots and 8 trout. Now that you know the stories, it's time to try the flashcards. Did you know there's a multiplication problem hiding in each story you just learned? Are you ready to find them? Let's see how it works with the practice flashcards. This flashcard is for the multiplication problem, 7 times 4. Remember, Mrs. Week represents the number 7, and the chair the number 4. You may think you don't know the answer, but you do! The answer is hiding in the story. To solve this multiplication problem, all you have to do is remember the times tale that had Mrs. Week and the chair. There was only one story with both of those characters. Mrs. Week sat on a chair and fished. She got 2 boots and 8 trout. 7 times 4 is 28. Now it's your turn to try the flashcards. When you hear this sound, pause the video and say the answer to the flashcard out loud. Then hit play and see if you got it right. Remember, all you have to do is think of the story that goes with the 2 characters in the flashcard. The answer is hiding in the story. And since you know the story, you know the answer. Let's begin. 9 times 9. 81. 4 times 7. 28.
Let's test your new skills with the multiplication challenge.
Now let's try the flashcards without the symbols. When the flashcards come up, see if you can answer before the time runs out.
Get ready!
If you want to learn more of the times tables with our times tails method, there is more information at the end of this video, plus links to our different products below. Of course, now that you know how this memory technique works, you can also make up your own memory stories for the times tables that you happen to struggle with. Now here's Miranda to tell you a little more about our different products that we have available.
Hi there, my name is Miranda, and I'm going to walk you through the different available options of our Times Tails products so that you can find the best fit for your student. Each product or bundle is designed to meet different levels of needs depending on where the student is at based upon their knowledge of multiplication. We have tailor-made products for both the student that is just learning their times tables and for the student that already knows the concept of multiplication but lacks proficiency in quick recall of the answers. Follow this quick guide to discover which product will be the best option for your child's individual needs. If your student is new to multiplication, we have two great options available. The Times Tails 3-part series breaks the 1 to 12 times tables down into 3 easy segments, utilizing 3 different methods to compute the facts. This bite-sized learning approach takes the stress out of the process of mastering the multiplication chart by dividing it up into small, manageable chunks. If you want to go the extra step and keep the fun right brain learning going, we suggest getting the Multiplication Mastery Bundle. This bundle includes Times Tails Deluxe, the Times Tails 3-part series, in addition to Pet Math and Drive-Through Menu Math. With these fun workbooks, your students can try out their new multiplication skills with real-life scenarios involving pets and dining out. If your student knows the concept of multiplication, but needs to memorize for quick recall and proficiency of the upper times tables, we suggest getting the Times Tails video. Our video comes in 3 different formats and includes printable practice tests, flashcards, a crossword puzzle, and the Roll-'em Cube game. For the student that is a struggling learner, we have designed Times Tails Deluxe, which gives extra practice and reinforcement of the upper times tables. The Times Tails program has had proven success for children with all types of learning disabilities. You can read more by clicking the link on our menu. If you have any questions about what to order, please do not hesitate to contact us through our customer service phone line or through our chat. We are here to help.